Hello all. In today's video, I am going to discuss about compiler, interpreter and assembler with their differences. For that, please make sure to subscribe to my channel SAI TARUN CIVIL LEO. Coming to this video, what is translator? In my last video, we have seen that a translator is converting the high-level source code into the machine code. Let's see the types of translators. There are three types of translators. They are compiler, interpreter and assembler. Let's see them in detail. Compiler. It is used for programs that translate source code from high-level language to low-level language to create an executable program by these processes, as followed here. The first function in compiler is the front end and then analysis, optimizations and backend. After this process, the code will be converted into the machine code and the required output is obtained. Coming to interpreter, it is a program language that will directly execute the source code into machine language by providing some data by showing errors and correction. Coming to assembler, assembler is the program that makes assembly language into the object code. Let's see an example. So here, in a high level language, the code is written as go to 20. The compiler will convert the high-level language into the assembly language as JMP-TWN. It means go to. It will take in assembly language. It will take as jump JMP and 20 as TWN. After it is converting into the assembly language will be converted into the machine code by the use of an assembler. So this assembler will make the assembly language into the machine code, and this machine code will be further executed and processed. Some of the differences between compiler, interpreter and assembler. In compiler, the whole code is converted into one file, whereas in interpreter, the code is converted into machine code one line at a time. Whereas in assembler, it will convert only the assembly language. It will not convert any high-level language. Hence, the process in interpreter goes very slow as one line at a time. Coming to compiler, it takes a long time to compile the source code. Whereas in interpreter, it will make it very fast by quickly identifying errors and fix them. Whereas in assembler, it will convert assembly language into the machine language by some instructions. Do you know how many digits are there in binary language? If you know, comment below. If you like this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.